What's up guys? Welcome to Reviews by Ronan. So what we have here is from Ulanzi. This is their MT44 tripod. Not just a normal tripod, but a multifunctional tripod. So this was bought by my wife because it was endorsed, or it was used by celebrities, vloggers, known photographers, and videographers. So mahilig siya manood ng vlog. And she always saw this sa mga vlogs nila. And they even recommended this one. Kaya pati siya nabudol. So, just a quick short story time. Nagtry kami ng maraming tripods. And one time, we use it sa Boracay. Syempre, mahangin doon. Ayun, bumagsak yung tripod with phone. But this one, we use it sa Japan, sa Korea. Nag-Mount Fuji kami. Syempre, mahangin din yon since it's a mountain. Not totally sa Mount Fuji, pero yung mga places doon. So, mahangin. Umakyat kami. But this one is really stable. So, talagang, we recommended this one. Hindi kami papayahid dito. And sobrang sulit ito. Because, for just less than 1,000, you can get this multifunctional, stable tripod. Alright? So, you can have this for just 800 pesos. But if you want with remote, it's 870 pesos. You can always check from time to time this yellow basket here para ma-check nyo kung may sale. Alright? So, what are you waiting for? Check this out and click the yellow basket.